Hi, I'm Kathy. Whether you're looking for your first home or want everything on one level, you can find it at Grand Reserve Ranch Homes. Enjoy low-maintenance ranch homes located in desirable Yorkville, which is home to riverfront festivals, outdoor adventures with plenty of local dining options nearby. Our ranch homes are wrapped in charming cottage-style stone exteriors. Inside, they are designed to make your life easier with everything on the main level. You'll love having your kitchen open to the living space, so you'll never miss a conversation or a scene from your favorite show. Having your owner's suite on the main floor makes daily tasks easier. Say goodbye to hauling the laundry up and down the stairs. With an included basement, you'll have plenty of room to store family keepsakes and holiday decorations. But the best part about living here? No more mowing the lawn or shoveling snow, as that's all taken care of for you by the HOA. Spend more time doing the things you love, like gardening and grilling or getting to know your neighbors. Are you ready to live the social life you deserve? Homeowners get together often for book club, board game night, social hours, and even take advantage of the community walking trails. Location is key, and Grand Reserve provides easy access to Route 47, I-88, I-80, and I-55, making it easy to get around the entire southwest Chicago area. Jewel Osco is right down the road with more shopping options off Highway 34. Rush Copley Emergency Center is also minutes away, providing additional peace of mind. What do you think? Are you ready to make your life easier and love where you live? Schedule your visit today. We can't wait to welcome you home.